Idebube. Idomimi. Ibu Alpha na Omega mo. Onye muno ni malite n'ọgwụgwụ ya ka m ji na-asị ịbụ chi mbụ. Trust and obey, for there is no other way to be happy in Jesus than to trust and obey. I said trust and obey, for there is no other way to be happy in Jesus than to trust and obey. Where you walk with Christ, and His way and His salvation, there is no joy you have than to trust and obey. Trust and obey, for there is no other way to be happy in Jesus than to trust and obey. Your name is love. Your name is Imama Chukwu kona boy koya nanyaya okaria inota udonko nenye madapoyi yebuya There's something I am hearing. I don't know. I just came to sing to God. But I'm just hearing a prophecy. I just be good to I didn't go Gunima, but I can't touch Nima Banya. And I'm not a prophet. There is somebody here, you made money before. But today, things have gotten worse. And the Lord is telling me, He said, before you traveled, He said there is a man of God somewhere praying for you, sustaining you, helping you. He said, but when you made it, you forget this man. You do not remember the prayer of this man, neither to return back, even if it is one bottle of water. He said this man cried in pain, and then just carried the tears. I don't know, I just want to sing. And the prophecy keep coming. He says, since that particular day that this man cried, that another person is eating what he sowed. Tomorrow dance now, prophecy.
I don't know.
And the Lord said, this man cried to God in tears. And every thing you build, you are here, you are listening to me, begin to collapse. The Lord said, go and look for this man. He said, it is this man that you look for, that will pray for you, your door will open again. Go and look for this man. He said that you should not look for this man. He said this man will pray for you. After the prayer, doors will be open. But don't forget this man again. So many people doesn't know that any altar where God remembered you, it is very, very necessary for you to remember that altar. Some people, when God remember you in the altar, you thought you have arrived. You doesn't go there again. You begin to look for Adazion. And you forget the altar where God remembered you. Imama Chuku Onapoe Koya Yunanyagi Okaliria Dokonanya Madapuya Hallelujah. And you forget the altar, we are going to change your story. And you're looking for Sister Joma that you saw on Facebook.